students, welcome to Kiran coaching classes. Today we see viscosity. If we take the water in a glass and pour it on the surface, then water can quickly and easily flow. Also, if we take the honey or syrup, then the honey or syrup, they cannot flow easily. They flow slowly and also stick to the container. This is due to the friction in fluids. This friction is between within the fluid itself and also within the fluid and its surrounding. This is the friction between fluids itself and also fluids and its surrounding. The water has low viscosity, that is this property of flow. Some fluids can easily flow, some fluids cannot easily flow. Such a property of fluid is called as a viscosity. Water has less viscosity, while honey or syrup, they have high viscosity. These are the two figures. Figure first shows the viscous fluid and figure the second, it shows the non-viscous fluid. In viscous fluid, all layers of a fluid move with different velocity. They move with a different velocity. Here, this is due to the viscous drag acting between the layers. And in non-viscous fluid, all layers move with the same velocity. They are move with the same velocity. Such a fluid has zero viscosity because they move with the same velocity. There is no, that is the viscous drag. If we take if we consider the flow of water in a river, in bank side of a river, water slowly flow. That is the velocity of water at bank side of both bank side. It is a slow. If we move from bank to center side, then the velocity of water goes on increasing. And at a center, its velocity is fastest. Center la रिव्हरच्या वॉटरची व्हेलॉसिटी फास्ट आहे आणि बँक साईडला व्हेलॉसिटी काय होते डिक्रीज होत जाते as shown in this. This that is the property of a fluid, it is a viscosity, and different liquid has a different viscosity, and it is due to the here adjacent layers exert the force on each other, that is the viscous drag. And by studying the viscosity, we can recognize the fluidity of a fluid. Then what is the viscosity? Viscosity is the property of a fluid by virtue of which the relative motion between the different layers of a fluid is, that is, experience viscous drag. It experiences viscous drag. Viscosity is the property of fluid by virtue of which relative motion of different layers of fluid experiences a dragging force. That dragging force, it is called as a viscous drag. Here, if high is the dragging force, then viscosity is a high. If low is the dragging force, then viscosity is a low. This is the definition of a viscosity. Viscosity, it is a property of a fluid by virtue of which the relative motion of a fluid can be observed. Suppose this is a stationary layer, and on a stationary layer, suppose fluid is in motion, and here also If we consider the different layers of a fluid, suppose this is the different layer of a fluid, its velocity goes on a increasing from stationary flow. If we consider the layer, suppose this is a layer. This layer is at distance x from stationary layer. Stationary layer पासून x distance ला आहे. This distance is at x plus dx. X plus dx distance ला आहे. And suppose this is the x distance layer and this is at x plus dx layer, x plus dx distance line, and this layer is at x minus dx distance line from fixed layer पासून हे का आहे x minus dx distance line. हे लेयर जे आहे त्याचे डिस्टन्स किती आहे x आहे आणि ह्या लेयरचं डिस्टन्स किती आहे x प्लस dx आहे. तर हे डिफरंट लेयर आपण कन्सिडर केले. सपोज व्हेलॉसिटी ऑफ दिस लेयर इज v. Velocity of this layer is v plus dv and velocity of this layer is v minus dv. Here velocity of this layer is greater than this velocity, and due to this change in that is the relative velocity, viscosity is different. In liquid, if we consider the liquid, this viscosity is due to the short range intermolecular forces, short range cohesive intermolecular force, and which provide the viscosity to that fluid, that is liquid. While in case of a gases आपण consider केले तर gases मध्ये जी viscosity आहे it is due to the fast moving gas molecule and they collide with each other. ते काय होतात, ते collide होतात. They collide with each other and due to such a fast moving gas molecule, the viscosity is given to that gas. If we consider the fluid, that is gases or liquid, the viscosity depend upon the relative velocity. Relative velocity means for a smaller velocity, for a small velocity of a relative velocity of a fluid, viscosity is directly proportional to the relative velocity. And for a, that is the turbulent flow आपण consider केला. In that case, here viscosity it is rapidly changes, and this is due to the, it is not directly proportional to the relative velocity, but it proportional to the high power of relative velocity, directly proportional to the high power of a relative velocity. In turbulent flow, viscosity rapidly changes. These are the, that is the viscosity. This is the viscosity. Now we consider the velocity gradient. What is the velocity gradient? Velocity gradient. Here the velocity gradient is the ratio of, that is relative velocity to the distance from fixed layer, that is rate of change of relative velocity. Rate of change of relative velocity suppose dv, and it is to the distance from a fixed layer. Distance from fixed layer, suppose here this is the relative velocity means ह्या दोन्ही लेयर मधली रिलेटिव्ह व्हॅलोसिटी काय येणार आहे dv येणार, v प्लस dv मायनस v ही काय राहणार आहे रिलेटिव्ह व्हॅलोसिटी dv. आणि ह्या लेयरचा डिस्टन्स आहे, ह्या लेयरचा डिस्टन्स किती राहणार आहे dx राहणार, म्हणजे रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ व्हॅलोसिटी रिलेटिव्ह व्हॅलोसिटी विथ ए डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम फिक्स्ड लेयर. This is called as a velocity gradient. Velocity gradient is a rate of change of relative velocity with a distance from a fixed layer. It's called as a velocity gradient. Now we see coefficient of viscosity. By Newton's law of viscosity, the viscous force acting on different layer in a fluid, it is directly proportional to the area of that layer and also directly proportional to the velocity gradient, that is dv by dx. Therefore, we can write as this equation can be written as F equal to eta into A into dv by dx, where eta is constant of proportionality and it is called as the coefficient of viscosity. Therefore, this coefficient of viscosity, it is equal to F upon A into dv by dx. This is the here coefficient of viscosity. If we take the A equal to 1, that is 1 meter square, म्हणजे unit area आपण consider करू, and dv by dx, it is equal to also 1, that is the second. असं consider करू आपण velocity gradient. And therefore, here coefficient of viscosity, it is equal to F. ये युनिट एरिया असेल आणि व्हेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट सुद्धा युनिट असेल, तर मग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी कशाशी इक्वल येणार आहे? विस्कस फोर्सची. मग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटीचे डेफिनेशन काय करता येईल? द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी इज डिफाइंड ॲज द विस्कस फोर्स और विस्कस ड्रॅग पर युनिट एरिया पर युनिट व्हेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट. This is the definition of a coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity is defined as the viscous force or viscous drag per unit area per unit velocity gradient. Now we see the SI unit. SI unit is here Newton upon area unit meter square into velocity unit meter per second upon meter. And therefore here the meter get cancelled per second, that is हे second वरती येणार Newton into second per meter square. This is the SI unit of a coefficient of viscosity, that is the viscosity. And velocity gradient SI unit काय येणार आहे? मीटर पर सेकंद अपॉन मीटर. मीटर गेट कॅन्सल आणि इट इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन सेकंद म्हणजे पर सेकंद एवढं काय राहणार आहे व्हेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंटचं युनिट राहील. आता हे झालं न्यूटन इंटू सेकंद पर मीटर स्क्वेअर एवढं SI युनिट आहे. आणि CGS युनिट काय येणार मग? CGS युनिट is dyne into second per centimeter square. This is the CGS unit. Now we see the relation between the CGS unit and SI unit. This CGS unit, it is called as a poise. It is called as a poise. आणि यातील आपण रिलेशन पाहू. मग लेट 1 Newton into second per meter square, it is equal to x dyne into second per centimeter square. असं कन्सिडर करू आपण. मग therefore we have to find the value of x, this conversion factor, considering the dimensions. Dimension काय येणार आहे? your total ह्या क्वांटिटीचं डायमेन्शन 1 in length, 1 in mass आणि -2 in time. हे काय न्यूटनचं आहे इंटू सेकंद. परत इंटू सेकंद म्हणल्यानंतर इथं -1 येणार आणि अपॉन मीटर स्क्वेअर म्हणजे अपॉन L स्क्वेअर. तर डायमेन्शन काय येणार आहे याचं 1 in length, 1 in mass आणि -1 in टाइम. एवढं काय येणार आहे, डायमेन्शन येणार. डायमेन्शन दोन्ही साईडला सेम असेल. L1 M1 T1 ने डिनोट करू. दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स. हे L2 M2 आणि T2 ने डिनोट करू. L2चं काय राहणार, डायमेन्शन कसं आहे, सेम असतं दोन्ही साईडला. आणि हे T2चं. Therefore, finding the value of x, we get x equal to that is L1 raised to -1 म्हणजे M1 1 in M1 -1 in T1 upon -1 in L2 1 in M2 आणि -1 in T2. We can write this as, and this is equal to, here we can write as a L1 upon L2 raised to -1 into M1 upon M2 raised to 1 and into T1 upon T2 raised to -1. We can write as a, this is a CGS unit and this is a SI unit. And therefore, we can write as a meter upon centimeter raised to -1 into kilogram upon gram raised to 1 into second upon second raised to -1. And this is equal to 10 square centimeter upon centimeter raised to -1 into 10 cube gram upon gram raised to 1 and into 1 raised to -1. तेवढंच राहणार आहे 1. And this is equal to 10 raised to -2 into 10 cube. 10 raised to -2 into 10 cube. ही व्हॅल्यू कशाची, एक्सची. x equal to 10 raised to -2. सेंटीमीटर गेट कॅन्सल, ग्रॅम गेट कॅन्सल. -1 into 2 -2. 10 raised to -2 into 10 cube. आणि this is equal to 10. And therefore, here 1 Newton into second per meter square, it is equal to 10 dyne into second per centimeter square. That is, it is equal to 10 points. हे का आहे, रिलेशन आहे. कशामधलं, CGS युनिट आणि SI युनिट मधील रिलेशन आहे. हे रिलेशन आपण काय केलेलं आहे, फाइंड आउट केलेलं आहे. आणि आता हिअर मायक्रोस्कोपिक व्ह्यू ऑफ विस्कॉसिटी. मायक्रोस्कोपिक व्ह्यू ऑफ विस्कॉसिटी. मायक्रोस्कोपिक व्यू आपण कन्सिडर करू. सपोज दिस इज एक्स लेअर, प्लेन सरफेस आहे, आपण कन्सिडर करू. एक्स प्लेट आपण कन्सिडर करू. सपोज दिस इज द एक्स प्लेट and suppose that this is the y plate. This is the y plate. Y plate has a different layer. If we consider the fluid in these two plates, and there are, suppose these are in the form of a plane surface layer of this fluid. Suppose that this is C layer, this is B layer, this is the A layer, and each fluid, all fluids in this layer, they move with a velocity v0. v0 ने काय, एक y प्लेट काय होते, मूव होते. आणि x प्लेट का आहे, स्टेशनरी आहे. and this, that is the A, B, C. These are the different layers between these two plates, and they move with a velocity. Here this is V plus dV, and this layer it move with a velocity V minus dV. हे आपण कन्सिडर करू. तर त्यातील आपण हे दोन लेयर घेऊ. ह्या दोन्ही लेयरमध्ये सपोज आता दिस दॅट इज द प्लेन लेयर, it has a V plus dV velocity and this has a V velocity. That is velocity at a layer B. It is a minimum than velocity at a layer C by amount dV. dV amount ने velocity काय म्हणजे relative velocity of a C layer it is a greater. हे कन्सिडर करू आपण. यातील डिफरंट लेयर्स आहेत आणि हे जे डिफरंट लेयर्स आहे डिफरंट व्हॅलोसिटीने मूव्ह होतात आहे. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे विस्कस फोर्स आहे. म्हणजे ॲडजस्टंट लेअरमध्ये काय आहे फोर्स एक्झर्ट केला जातो and due to this they have a different velocity. Suppose that is the molecule, the mean velocity B layer मधील mean velocity किती आहे V आणि C layer मधील mean velocity किती आहे V plus dV. मग आपण कन्सिडर केला मॉलिक्यूल, कोणताही मॉलिक्यूल कन्सिडर केला तर त्याची व्हॅलोसिटी मीन व्हॅलोसिटीपेक्षा कशी राहणार आहे ग्रेटर राहणार. म्हणजे ह्या मीन व्हॅलोसिटीपेक्षा फास्टर मूव्ह होईल. अँड देअरफॉर देअर आर ऑलवेज लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ए ट्रान्सफर ऑफ ए मॉलिक्यूल. ट्रान्सफर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल कन्सिडर होईल. म्हणजे आपण जर नुसतं फ्लूइड घेतलं, लिक्विड कन्सिडर केलं, फ्लूइड म्हणल्यानंतर गॅस आणि लिक्विड सुद्धा येणार आहे. तर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल काय होणार आहे ट्रान्सफर होईल. म्हणजे हे लार्ज व्हॅलोसिटी राहणार ह्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये. and therefore there is a transfer, that is the layer from C to B असं ट्रान्सफर होईल म्हणजे हाय व्हॅलोसिटी टू लो व्हॅलोसिटी. and in that case here is they collide with the molecules in layer B. मॉलिक्यूल लेयर B मधील मॉलिक्यूल्सची काय होती कोलाइड होईल. and during that collision their velocity decreases by amount the dV. Velocity goes on a decreasing and also extensively if we take to the that is the stationary layer X, the velocity also becomes 0. But during this transfer there occur the change in momentum. And this is momentum, that is it is given this layer, that is Y plate, it given the momentum to this, also it given the momentum to B layer, also it given the momentum to E layer, and also it given the momentum this X. This is the that is change in the momentum. There take the interaction, that is change in the momentum. And due to this that is there is a viscous force exerting, that is adjacent layer produce the force, and due to this the viscosity is produced, that is they oppose the relative motion, and it is the that is the viscosity. This property of a fluid it is called as a viscosity, which gives rise to the viscosity. If we consider that is considering the at a temperature, if we increase the temperature of a fluid viscosity also changes. That is if we change the temperature of a fluid its viscosity changes. For most liquid with increasing temperature viscosity decreases, and for the gases with increasing temperature viscosity also increases because gas molecules move farther than with increasing temperature, and there is a collision between the layer, that is gas molecule, and which gives rise to the viscosity. Therefore in case of a gases with increasing temperature viscosity increases, and in most liquid with increasing temperature viscosity decreases. आपण पॉइंट पाहिले विस्कोसिटी आणि बाकीचे पॉइंट आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू.